So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the new iOS 18 beta features. So in this video I'll do a short breakdown on what's new here in iOS beta 2 in the new release. So basically I want to show you the new things that has been released here. So the new things that have been released here are such as the new redesign for this customization tab. So it has been buggy lately. So here you have your small and large tabs right now, changing your color here right here. You can do light, you can do dark, which I prefer. You can do small, you can do large, but it's buggy with the new things that have been released here. So the next things are gonna be your controls. Your control center is pretty new right here, as you can see. So we have new tabs right here. You can customize them to your wanting. So as you can see right here, you can add new controls, and here you can just sift through the new controls that I'm showing you right now. So as you can see, there are new handy controls right here. So when we go to settings and we go to wallpaper, we can customize it. So in your wallpaper, what's new in the lock screen? So basically now you can change your icons there. So there's two basically. There was the torch and you have your camera. So here you can customize it now. If you want alarm, you can do so, and you can do by ease. So there's a lot here that you can go by. You have your airplane mode, cellular data, dark mode, music haptics, which is also new by the way. So you have camera. So I would like to go with camera myself only. So here there's also new things in accessibility that I have noticed. So here you have your eye tracking where you can control things with your eyes. And then right here you also have your music haptics which will respond to music with your iOS music. So basically it will vibrate as you play music, which is pretty cool as of now. So there you go guys, those are just the new features here in the iOS beta 2. So there's also screen mirroring in your MacBook and iOS 18. So go check that out guys in our channel. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.